right, well, let me introduce the busiest man that will exist in St. Louis for the next 2 days.
Yes.
Scott Connell, are you ready?
I think so. Well, I've got a whole 2-liter bottle of caffeinated beverage, the super duper kind.
He's been
You're gonna
stretching.
need it.
Yeah, so we're ready to go.
Lots of caffeine.
And someplace else it's going to be a little bit stressful out here at Lambert, St. Louis Lambert International Airport. We've got the flights coming and going today without much fanfare. It's just going to be some rain in our area. But boy, tomorrow and into Thursday, into Friday, this is going to be a widespread storm, and it's going to cause some big time problems. And, we're talking about winter weather right now, and we're ahead of the front, and we've seen a little sun try to poke through the clouds. Chesterfield's up to 62, Sullivan 60, Lambert 61 right now, even in the 50s in the normally cooler spots off to the northeast of St. Louis. That's not going to last. Still looking at the heaviest snow bands here, setting up to our north and northwest. This is going to be for tomorrow and into tomorrow night and into Thursday. For the areas north and west of us, they'll make that change a little sooner. But central Illinois is really the prime spot for seeing the greatest amount of snow. And then as you look to the southeast of St. Louis, we get more of that wintry mix. And we'll get a little bit of that in St. Louis, but we're more concerned from the Boot Heel down along the Ohio River and then heading up towards Cincinnati, where there could be enough icing where you could be looking at a power outage situation in some places there. Most likely that will be south of the 5 on your side viewing area. So we're going to break this down here into our area just locally. Far southern portions, you're more rain through today into tonight, even into a good chunk of tomorrow. Then when you go below freezing, you get the glaze of ice, and eventually you'll get to sleet. The area that's in the pink shading here, that's where we're going to see much more of a mix that eventually changes over to mostly snow. In the area through the metro and going north and west, we will get to snow sooner, which means higher amounts of snow. The complicating factor on us with the accumulation forecast is the fact that we're having to mix in a lot of that sleet, and just how much of that is going to knock the snow totals down. 12 to 18 inches is not out of the question, especially going northwest of St. Louis. This is all just rain sliding through the area right now. Again, we're close to 60 degrees. We're going to time things out very quickly for you. Rain here through the evening hours. We start to see the mix push in overnight as that colder air slips in, and we will see the change over to snow heading through tomorrow, and then another big surge of snow coming in tomorrow night, early on Thursday morning. The worst part of the storm and travel conditions probably going to be the most difficult very late Wednesday night and into Thursday morning when we're seeing that heavier snow. It does come to an end later Thursday, and again, as we broke it down for you a few minutes ago, there are spots that are going to have a foot or more of snow, especially north and west of St. Louis, but some of us in the metro may get in on that. Plus, we'll have some gusty winds, Ryan, and that kind of goes along with you'll be able to do some of your Winter Olympics right in your backyard over the next few days.